In this short video, I'll be going over some of the reasons I recommend that you sign into your account before doing any searches in OneSearch. Once you're here at the home page of the San Jose State University King Library's website, you'll go over to the right-hand side and you'll see My Accounts. This is where you'll be able to log into your account. So some of the benefits of signing into your account prior to doing your searches is that you can get full access right away to any items available to current students, staff, or faculty, which include the articles and books and any other items in our collection. You can also at this time request any library items not available through San Jose State University. And additionally, you can add items to your lists to use for later. And last, you can also add an alert that will send you an email when OneSearch locates an item based on your prior searches. Once you've logged in, we can go to My Accounts. And when you click on SJSU OneSearch Library Account, you'll be able to review your account. So if you had a loan and you click on loans, the items will show up here. Any requests that you've made would show up here. And if you're wondering how late your book is and if you owe any fines, you can click on here. And then you'll also have any messages here. So now we're going to be going back to the San Jose State OneSearch, and you can begin your search.